guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds. And today I have a cash stuffing for you. We are going to be stuffing all of my sinking funds and my 100 envelope challenge. We should have a total of $507. All right, so let's go ahead and count all of this. We've got 50, 100, 150. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, so that is 250. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 350, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 450, 455, 460, 465, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. That is 500. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $507. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna open up our bullet journal over here and have this all ready for us. If you saw my last cash stuffing, you'd see I have a little bit of a new system over here, and hopefully that makes it easier for us to follow along. All right, so card down payment. We have $685 in there, and we were gonna be adding $75 today. So 50, 70, 75. All right, let's see where we are at. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 650, 700, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. So $760. All right, next up is car maintenance. Car maintenance has moved to my sinking funds, and we will be adding 25 this week. I did have it in more of my monthly expenses, but I think it makes more sense to have it in sinking funds, seeing as it's not something we touch very often. All right, so let's see where we're at. 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So 338. Next up is racing events, and that has 390, and we will be adding 25 today, so that's a 20 and a 5. All right, so we have 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 415. Next up is running. We should have 135 in there, and we will be adding 25. All right, so we've got 100, 120, 140, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So 160 for running. Vacation has 100 in there, and we'll be adding 25. So 125 for vacation. And next up is Disney. Oh, let me write this down real quick, 125. Disney has $50 in there, and we will be adding 25. So 50, 70, $75 in Disney. All right, next up is Home. We should have $136 in there, and we will be adding 20 this week. All right, so we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56. All right, next up is clothing. Clothing is at $78, and we will be adding 20 to that. So we have 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98. $98 in clothing. I think I want to get this back up to 150 or maybe 200, and then that'll be good for that one. Next up is gifts. We have $293 in there currently, and we'll be adding 25. All right, so in gifts we have 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 315, 16, 17, 18. So 318 in gifts. I really do need to start my Christmas shopping. Is anyone else putting it out off like I am? All right, next up is savings. In savings, we have $1,297, and we will be adding $25 to that today. Okay, so my camera died, and I did not realize it till I had finished the video for y'all. So we're gonna go back, well, not back for you, back for me. I unstuffed everything that I had stuffed at that point. I believe we ended off in, I was adding $25 to our savings, and that brought us to this new savings. So let's recount this money. We have $1,000 placeholder, and then we have 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 315, 320, 21, 22. So 1,322. I did go through and add everything up in that, so I will not be doing that again, but we added it up. Everything that we stuffed today was $290, and then everything that is in our sinking funds binder, $3,767 for our sinking funds. Next up, and I did unstuff these because, you know, everyone wants to see this box being stuffed, but I left the little envelopes out. So for today, we are stuffing 95, 94, and 28. Now last week I did not get to stuff very big numbers, so this week it was important to me to pick out a couple big numbers and get those taken care of for us. So 95, we've got 50, 70, 90, 95. Man, I guess I need to start saving for a new phone because I've been using my phone to film, but it keeps running out of storage and I keep having to delete things, and that's just not working for me. Either that or I need to find like an actual camera. Got 50, 70, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Because this is just not working for me. I did not realize that it even stopped recording until I went to go and look and start editing. right? And then 28, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. All right, and I guess I have to retell this. I made a decision on what I'm using this box for. So I know I had been talking about doing Disney Vacation Club, but I wasn't sure if that's what I wanted to do. I wasn't sure if it made financial sense, and I've decided I'm going for it. It's something we want. It's something we'll use. My family loves going to Disney. We don't have any kids, but my mom loves going. My sister loves going. We have friends that like to go, and I'd love to be able to just do that with them, you know, go on vacation with them, take that trip. It's a magical place for us, so we're just gonna do it. That's what we're going for. I do want to make sure that I can pay for it all up front and I don't have to take a loan out for it. So we'll stuff this little box as many times as we have to get there. But that's my goal. That's what I want to do. Now, another thing with, you know, my video not recording, I already colored in my little envelopes. But y'all see, I colored in 28, 94, 95. And let's see, we've got a decent amount done. Let's see how many we have done. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 envelopes stuffed, y'all. We are a fifth of the way there. I can't believe it. Like, my goal is to have this done by the end of July. I wasn't sure if that was too much, too soon. Like, the thought of saving $5,000 in a year, like less than a year's time, is kind of crazy to me. But I think we can do it. I think we can do it, and I can't wait to take y'all along and to unstuff all of this with you, and it's gonna be a fun time. I can't wait for it. But anyways, enough of my rambling on. I hope y'all have a wonderful week and enjoy your weekend, and I will see you on Monday with the first unstuffing of December. Until then, bye.